We were lucky enough to participate in Oppo's launch event for the Find X8 Ultra in China and decided to take advantage of the occasion by putting its cameras through a quick camera exercise. We took the phone around beautiful Xi'an, the capital city of the Shaanxi province, and took photos at 0.6x, 1x, 3x, and 6x. We even stretched the 6x zoom camera beyond its optical limit and snapped a few low-light and portrait samples. The idea here is to give you a glimpse at the Find X8 Ultra's imaging potential, not to spoil our detailed analysis of its cameras. So we'll keep it brief with the technical talk. The photos show off the Find X8 Ultra's technical brilliance from 15mm, all the way to 135mm, and beyond. The image processing is impressively consistent between cameras. The sharpness, contrast, and especially the tonality are very much in sync. There are some color temperature differences between the wide-angle cameras and the zoom cameras, but at least the two pairs are consistent among themselves. The wides keep the same color temperature, and so do the zooms. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra has an impressive zoom range. It has a strong argument as having the most sensible choice of focal lengths in its class of ultra camera phones. You have the 70mm mid-range zoom option, which is backed by the huge 1/1.56-inch sensor, only bested by the Vivo X100 Ultra and X200 Pro's 1/1.4-inch at a similar 85mm focal length, and a new brighter f/2.1 lens. And if you need to capture fine detail at longer distances, you have the jump to the 135mm telephoto camera, now backed by a larger sensor and a brighter f/3.1 lens. It's a big step up from f/4.3, especially in low light. The 6x zoom camera is very useful when pushing beyond 135mm. It helps retain fine details in the distance, which would have otherwise been out of the reach of the 70mm shooter. Both the 70mm and 135mm focal lengths are tried and tested for portraiture. We've captured a few samples by each. The Hasselblad-tuned portrait mode does wonders to enhance the subject separation from the background. Finally, here are some snaps from the 1-inch main camera in low light. This is by far the most capable sensor for dim light work. Its impressive light-gathering abilities mean it takes photos in darker conditions much faster than what a Pixel, iPhone, or Galaxy flagship can manage. And the resulting image has a bigger camera rendition due to the large sensor. This was fun, but we'll step into the camera lab for a more detailed look at Oppo's Find X8 Ultra and its cameras soon.